In the study of the heavenly stems and earthly branches, there are interactions such as combine, clash, break, harm, and punish. These relationships are very important and they form a key part of our upcoming lessons. We'll go through each of these 7 major topics in detail. Combine, clash, break, harm, punish, strong day master, and weak day master. Then we'll learn how to interpret different aspects of a person's life, how to see love and marriage through the chart, how to analyze compatibility between two people's Bazi when they plan to get married. This is called marriage matching. How to read one's siblings, parents, children, wealth, career, health, and personality. How to identify years of misfortune or disasters, and whether there are punishments or clashes affecting the 6 family relations. How to determine a person's life and death tribulation, the major turning point or crisis in one's lifetime. A person's lifetime, including the lifespan of their parents, brothers, and sisters, is also shown in the Bazi chart. It also includes things like the grave, the storage, and the void. There are many different structures in Bazi. If we divide them in detail, there are actually hundreds of types of structures. In this course, we will talk about some of the most common and most practical structures and explain them one by one. Later, we will also go through the 10 heavenly stems, explaining each stem in detail. Then we will study the 12 earthly branches, discussing every single one. We will also go into the 10 gods, which contain a lot of meaning, so we will explain the 10 gods in detail as well. We will cover luck cycles and annual luck to understand what kinds of events may happen and why. Finally, we will look at some real Bazi cases. All of these later lessons are closely related to the concepts of combine, clash, break, harm, and punish, which are extremely important. These 5 interactions represent times when the energy within a person's chart goes through major changes, and that's when their destiny may experience big ups and downs. Sometimes these changes bring good news, and sometimes they bring challenges. Therefore, whenever you interpret a chart, you must understand the meanings of combine, clash, break, harm, and punish. For example, when looking at marriage, when a person gets married or when they go through divorce, these are always related to these 5 interactions. Even the relationship between husband and wife and the timing of passing of parents or other relatives are all connected with combine, clash, break, harm, and punish. That's why this topic is extremely important. Don't miss out. Hit subscribe and share to join us on this incredible journey of discovery. Your support fuels our passion to keep creating. Any questions or need personalized guidance? Leave us a comment or get in touch. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for being part of the LyFiveElements family. If anything is unclear, feel free to drop a comment below. I would love to discuss and explore these topics with you. And for those of you who want to understand your Bazi chart but find the learning process too complicated, you can always message me for a one-on-one consultation. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Your support truly motivates me to keep sharing this knowledge. See you in the next lesson.